Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Jeep Compass battery. First, gather your essential tools like a 12mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and your new battery. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your Jeep Compass is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin any work. Next, locate your Jeep Compass battery, typically found under the hood on the passenger side. Using your wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Carefully lift out the old battery using a battery strap or handle, as it can be quite heavy. Now, prepare for the new battery installation. Thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps to ensure a good connection. Carefully place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Connect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly, and then connect the negative terminal, ensuring both are snug. Finally, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals to prevent future buildup. Double-check all your connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Once everything is in place, start your Jeep Compass to confirm the new battery is functioning properly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.